Hello everybody and welcome to the second video of day 21 of Advent of Code 2023. This time it's gonna be ChatGPT solving the problem that I just went through, which was a very complicated one. So I'm really interested to see if ChatGPT is able to solve at least the first part, and I'm not giving it high chances for the second part. So we'll see. Please solve the following problem. Problem input file is attached. So let's see. Because this problem is essentially just a breadth first search algorithm, it shouldn't be too complicated for ChatGPT to solve. At least the first part, that is. So let's see. Yeah, breadth first search, finding unique positions located at exactly 64 steps. So it's 7,342, and that is not correct. That should be a lower number. That is too high. Try again. Let's see. So the solution that ChatGPT is using is adding all visited locations to the result, not just the ones that are even. But this is not correct, definitely. This is way too low. Try again. So not so great so far. Not so great. Okay. Still nothing. Still nothing. That is this is a letdown. So it's self-correcting, so we'll see if the second attempt will work. But not too great so far. I was expecting this to work. I was expecting ChatGPT to solve this first try. So that is a surprise. But I think we now have... Okay. So it's one number shy of the correct solution. And that's probably and most likely because ChatGPT is excluding the starting position as the reachable one. So I can tell it. Well, I will tell it. But it's giving it a huge hint, so I wouldn't count it as really solved. Well, it just ran +1 on the result, so that's it's a bit of a cheating. So I don't think we can say it solved the problem on its own. It did solve it in the end after several tries, but with hints, and that doesn't really count as a full solution. So bad luck, ChatGPT. Let's try if you can solve the more complex one, but I think you won't. Please try to solve. Yeah. Yeah, finding a repeating pattern makes sense. So it's analyzing the map somehow. Okay, so it gave us hints on how to solve it, but it didn't solve it itself. Can you try solving it? But I think it will reading documents. Okay, it will far exceed simple simulations. Mathematical insight into steps and so on. I don't think it will even try. No, I didn't. So, yeah, this was a unfortunately not a successful day for ChatGPT. First part was solved just partially with hints, and the second part was not solved at all. So I think, unfortunately for today, ChatGPT was not that successful in solving this today's problems. So, anyways, I thank you for joining for day 21 of Advent of Code. I will be publishing more videos until I finally solve the whole thing. But until next time, keep coding and see you in the next video. Bye bye.